Before you start learning Spanish as part of a class, there are some basic terms that might be helpful, starting with infinitives. These three common verbs are in the infinitive, which is the most basic form of the verb when there is no subject attached to it to show who or what is doing the action and when the action takes place. In Spanish, all infinitives will end in AR, ER, or IR, so hablar, comer, vivir. In English, the infinitives always have the word to. So in these examples, to speak, to eat, to live. See how no one is doing these actions? This is also how verbs are typically listed in vocabulary lists. The endings of verbs in Spanish convey a lot of information. Conjugating a verb is when the endings of the verbs, the AR, ER, and IR, are manipulated to communicate who or what is doing the action and when the action is taking place. This is what it looks like to conjugate these three common verbs in the present tense. As you can see, there is a pattern, and going forward, always look for patterns. To go from to speak to I speak, the ending has to be changed to O by dropping the AR and adding an O. The same is true with comer and vivir. You drop the ER in comer or the IR in vivir and add an O. This shows who is doing the action in the present. With the O, I am doing the action. If I drop the AR, ER, or IR and add AS or ES instead, this means you are doing the action. Hablas means you speak, comes means you eat, vives means you live, and so on with the different subjects and the endings that go with them. These are all in the present because as beginners, you'll likely focus on communicating in the present first. So as you move forward in your studies, remember to pay close attention to your verb endings because the endings convey who or what is doing the action and when the action is taking place.